happy that Aam Aadmi has taken up this issue of, getting the casinos out. It's high time somebody does something about it. We've had the other parties fooling us all the time. I mean, this is a genuine appeal. I can see it. It's a genuine appeal coming from the Aam Aadmi. Not only that, we people as Panjamites, as people from Goa, we are actually disgusted with what is happening to Goa. This is not the Goa we wanted. This is not the Goa we want to live in. It's become, Panjim for instance, is become a city of casinos. Now for example, when you enter Panjim, you'll find all the, barricades, police barricades that are there, which say stop for checking. But who's telling you to stop for checking? It's Delton Casino, Casino Pride, some other casino. Where is the pride of the government? Where is the pride of the police to say stop for checking? Is it the casino who's telling me to stop for checking on the road? I think it's high time we build up that pride in the Goans. It's high time we get these casinos out, taking over government buildings, taking over government spaces, taking over our roads, taking over everything. It's become a casino city. And to just give you an example, in 1997, if any of y'all remember, there was a huge seminar which was put up by the Planning and Development Authorities. And they wanted to find an identity for Panjim and work on that identity so Panjim develops that way. And when they thought of Panjim, should it be a garden city? Should it be a seat of power? Should it be a heritage city? Nowhere was casino in the picture. And I don't think casinos should be you look at Panjim and you only see casinos. You see nothing else. We've got so much more to offer. For heaven's sake, they have got to get out. I appeal to all the parties. Forget it. BJP promised us a lot. Mr. Parrikar promised us a lot. We walked these roads with him when he said casinos will be out. What happened? He made a U-turn as usual. That's what Parrikar does. The other parties, the same thing. I'm so happy that Aam Aadmi Party has taken up this issue, and I hope and I pray sincerely that one day we're going to see a Panjim and a Goa for Goans and not for casinos.